Shame. Shame to all the old poultry farmers. All the old poultry farmers where they lock their chicken for one place. Shame on all of them. Shame. Shame. You supposed to leave your chicken for outside. Make that they stroll for outside. And it goes save you more money. You go save more money if your chicken dey outside. You know, go buy to more food. And they go dey very healthy. See this chicken. All of them. See them. See how they dey very healthy, very strong. You dey copy anything copy. You go lock your chicken for one side. They feed them for one side. Egg were supposed to dey cheap. You call they make egg they very expensive because of your greediness. Shame on you. You see, look, you see them. See how they dey very healthy and fresh. They don't see. Let I show you. You see this place? See where all those chickens they stroll. This place now very big place where all these chickens they waka. You see this place? You see? Like this, no grass for here, no grass at all. You think say now clear and no. Now the chicken now they chop all the old grass where they look the other side. See where they look where they demarcate the place. You see say grass they that side. But look this side, grass no dey. All those chickens where you dey see for here, so they live for here. If they won't lay egg, see inside where they go lay egg. Because of your greediness, after you go say government no good. After you go say government no good, you also you know still good. You are a greedy bastard. Very greedy human being. You see where the chickens they come out. You see by yourself. See where they go in and out. Rain fall somehow everywhere they wet. If they won't lay egg, now inside where they come, they leave their egg. They also feed their grass. If you leave your chicken like this for outside, you no go spend too much money on feeding. You don't go spend too much money to feed them. How you think so? Huh? Greediness. Like this, you see those chicken like this, they hardly get disease.